talking in the car. His favorite thing to do. What are you saying, brother? That's right. Are you looking out the window? Huh? Are you talking to the world? I just have him in the mirror. That's all I can. Let's see if we can get you on this video. Can I turn it around? And I don't know if you're. Whoa! Big baby! Eek! I can't grab it. Can't grab it. What are you saying, big brother? Love you. Love you. Bye-bye. Ah, can you say mama? Mama? Can you say dada? Ava? Emmett? That's our family. Love you.